Hey there, bird lovers! Did you know that the Peregrine Falcon can reach speeds over 240 miles per hour? Yes, you heard that right. This incredible bird can outpace a Formula One car in a dive. Get ready to meet the Peregrine Falcon, the fastest bird on Earth. In this video, we'll uncover the secrets behind its extraordinary speed, its fascinating life in the wild, and what makes it such an awe-inspiring hunter. So buckle up as we take flight into the world of the Peregrine Falcon. Despite their remarkable abilities, peregrine falcons face significant threats from habitat loss and environmental pollution. Urbanization has destroyed many of their natural habitats, making it harder for them to find nesting sites. Plus, the use of pesticides has had a devastating impact on their food sources and overall health. These challenges put the future of this magnificent bird at risk. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure that they can continue soaring through our skies. Alright, let's dive into what makes the peregrine falcon so special. First off, let's talk about speed. Peregrine falcons are the fastest animals on the planet, reaching speeds of over 240 miles per hour during their hunting stoop. That's their fancy word for a high-speed dive. Imagine a feathered missile zooming through the sky. But how do they achieve such incredible speeds? The secret lies in their streamlined bodies and strong muscles. Their pointed wings and stiff feathers reduce air resistance, while their powerful flight muscles provide the necessary thrust. Additionally, they have a special respiratory system that allows for efficient oxygen exchange, crucial for sustaining high speeds. Where can peregrine falcons be found in the wild? Peregrine falcons are truly global travelers. They can be found on every continent except Antarctica. From the cliffs of coastal regions to the skyscrapers of urban areas, these birds have adapted to a wide range of environments. What do peregrine falcons eat? These birds are carnivorous and primarily hunt other birds. Their diet includes pigeons, ducks, songbirds, and even bats. They're not picky eaters, but rather opportunistic hunters. How do peregrine falcons hunt their prey? Their hunting technique, known as stooping, is a sight to behold. They soar to great heights, spot their prey with their keen eyesight, and then dive at incredible speeds, striking their prey mid-air with a powerful blow from their talons. What adaptations make the peregrine falcon such an effective hunter? Besides their speed, peregrine falcons have exceptional eyesight, allowing them to spot prey from over a mile away. Their nostrils have special baffles to regulate airflow during high-speed dives, preventing their lungs from overloading. How long do peregrine falcons live? In the wild, peregrine falcons can live up to 15 years, although many don't reach this age due to various challenges and predators. In captivity, they can live even longer, sometimes over 20 years. Are peregrine falcons endangered? Thanks to successful conservation efforts, peregrine falcons have made a remarkable comeback. They were once on the brink of extinction, primarily due to the use of DDT pesticides. Today, their populations are stable and growing, but ongoing conservation is essential to maintain this success. How do peregrine falcons care for their young? Peregrine falcons are devoted parents. They typically mate for life and share the responsibilities of raising their young. The female incubates the eggs while the male provides food. Once the chicks hatch, both parents are involved in feeding and protecting them. What is the wingspan of a peregrine falcon? An adult peregrine falcon has a wingspan of about 3.3 to 3.6 feet, or 1 to 1.1 meters. Their long, pointed wings are perfectly adapted for high-speed flight. How can you identify a peregrine falcon in the wild? Look for a medium-sized raptor with a distinctive dark mustache mark on its face, a blue-gray back, and barred underparts. In flight, their pointed wings and rapid wing beats are key identifiers. What is the migration pattern of the peregrine falcon? Peregrine falcons are long-distance migrants. Some populations travel thousands of miles between their breeding and wintering grounds. For instance, birds in North America might migrate from the Arctic tundra to South America. How do peregrine falcons communicate with each other? Peregrine falcons use vocalizations and body language to communicate. They have a series of calls for different purposes, such as attracting a mate, warning off intruders, or calling to their chicks. What is the breeding season for peregrine falcons? Breeding season varies depending on location, but it generally occurs in the spring. Peregrine falcons prefer to nest on high cliffs, ledges, or even tall buildings in urban areas. How do peregrine falcons build their nests? Instead of building traditional nests, peregrine falcons create a simple scrape, a shallow depression in gravel or soil. This minimalistic approach helps them stay agile and ready to defend their territory. Can peregrine falcons be found in urban areas? Yes. Peregrine falcons have adapted well to urban environments, often nesting on tall buildings and bridges. Cities provide an abundance of pigeons and other birds for them to hunt. What threats do peregrine falcons face in the wild? Despite their recovery, peregrine falcons still face threats such as habitat destruction, pollution, and human disturbances. Climate change and pesticide use also pose significant risks. How have conservation efforts helped peregrine falcons? Conservation efforts such as banning DDT and implementing captive breeding programs have been crucial in bringing peregrine falcon populations back from the brink of extinction. These efforts show the power of human intervention in protecting wildlife. What is the average size and weight of a peregrine falcon? Peregrine falcons vary in size, with females being larger than males. On average, they weigh between 1.5 to 3.3 pounds, 700 to 1,500 grams, and measure about 13 to 23 inches, 34 to 58 centimeters, in length. Are there any interesting myths or cultural stories about peregrine falcons? Throughout history, peregrine falcons have been revered in various cultures. In ancient Egypt, they were associated with the god Horus. In medieval Europe, they were prized in falconry for their hunting skills. Now let's highlight a dramatic hunting scene that truly showcases the peregrine falcon's incredible skills. Picture this: the falcon spots a small bird flitting through the trees. With a powerful flap of its wings, it launches into the sky, climbing higher and higher. Once it reaches the optimal altitude, it locks onto its target, tucking its wings in and diving at breathtaking speed. In mere seconds, it swoops down, hitting the air with a rush that sounds like a jet. The falcon snatches its prey with precision, demonstrating why it's known as the ultimate aerial predator. It's a thrilling moment that captures the essence of this extraordinary bird. So, to wrap things up, the peregrine falcon truly is a marvel of nature. From its incredible speed to its vital role in the ecosystem, it's a bird that deserves our admiration and protection. Remember, every little effort counts when it comes to conservation. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think about the peregrine falcon? Have you ever seen one in the wild? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other bird-related videos for more amazing insights into our feathered friends. Thanks for watching, and keep soaring high.